Good morning to all. I am Shubhangi Undani from Mechanical Engineering Department, and today we study about the autopilot boat and tilting train. These question is asked in examples of the mechatronics, and this question comes in university examination in question number 2. That is various examples which is related to the mechatronics. So what are the boat autopilot systems? An autopilot is a combination of electrical or electronics navigator tools that steer a vessel with continuous hand-on involvement. The autopilot allows short or single-handed sailor or boater to leave the helm, to trim or rig sail, adjust the line, set the anchor, eat without interruption, take a short snap or other activities while not to at the helm. So autopilot has used on commercial sail and power vessel for over a country in various forms, making a navigator safer and more convenient. A Marine have called autopilot by nickname like Iron Mick or Otto, that is a silent screw. The autopilot for smaller vessels are generally priced below 1 lakh with limited features. The below desk, it is a more performer and complex and cost is upward. How the autopilot works? The autopilot works much like a cursor or cursing control on the vehicle. Expect that the manual control of the tiller or steering wheel is not needed. After the vessel is steadied on the desired heading for a few seconds, an auto button is pushed at the autopilot take over. The computer remembers the heading and adjusts the rudder position to keep the vessel on the selected course, even in high winds, the strong current under the steering situation. Autopilot generally consists of 3 main components: a course computer, that is called as a central processing unit, that contains the compass, a drive unit that applies the force to move the radar, and control unit. The different types of the autopilot system. The autopilots come in a variety of arrangement, dedicated by the vessel length, displacement and steering type, including above desk unit and below desk unit described below. An older type, the wind vane, transport the wind energy from a vertical air pedal to a trim tap or water pedal fixed in the trouble. Wind vanes have mostly disappeared, replaced by the modern autopilots. This is a diagram which is related to the autopilot system. The input data from the sensor, it can be sensed. The autopilot can be controlled with the computer. Then this data can be transferred to the servo motor. This transfer data can be transferred to the control surfaces, and with respect to that the aircraft motion is carried out and the feedback goes to the auto control computer. So this is the traditional diagram which explains the autopilot system. From starting, see my cursor, the wind loads is applied on the board, the wind load is applied on the board, the wind feedback forwarded to the control collection, control allocation, the pilot input references model, control systems are attached, and this wind forward direction is again control allocation. With respect to the compass and agro, the yaw angle of the rate can be calculated, and these can be observed the water wave, and feedback is going to the control system. So in this way the autopilot can be worked. The ammeter is attached, the chart plotter is attached, flexa compass is attached, autopilot repeater is attached with remote, and these can be controlled with respect to the radar post, and radar post can be worked with respect to the hydraulic arm. The autopilot are self-steering device for power or sailboat. They can hold the vessel or preset compass course, and sophisticated pilot can be connected to the GPS receiver or gather the data for boat instruction, can handle to lot more advanced. A boat pilot is an electronics device capable of steering a boat on the preset course, taking the place of crew members. Application. The autopilot are extremely useful on a long passage or when sailing the single or short-handed. The technology. The most autopilot included the following technology: an electro-hydraulic pump and cylinder instituting the system mechanism arm. The cylinder actuates the helm according to the instruction from the electronic control system. The control unit analyzes the input data and sends the instruction to the pump cylinder. The sensor reads the current courses from the gyro compass as well as the helm position. The control screen is used to configure the autopilot and indicate the course to be followed. Some autopilots are better situated to the motor vessel and other sailboat. They also vary by steering system. The Taylor Whale Quadrant Bale. The computer control of the autopilot is also possible via complicated electronic network. The autopilot is a combination of electric and electronics navigation tool that steer a vessel without continuous hand-on involvement. The autopilot allowed the short or single-handed sailor or boater to leave the helm, to trim ring sail, adjust the set anchor, eat without interruption, set the short snap and other activities while in helm. The high-speed tilting train. The second point is high-speed tilting train. The tilting train. All students are knowing what is the tilting train. When the speed is increased and if any turn is around, then the train is just like a tilting. The train is not tilt, but it gives the position like a tilting. So the high-speed tilting train. The tilting train consists of tilting mechanism that enables to increase the speed on regular track. In the upper part of the tilting train, there is a passenger are seated on the tilted sideways. During the motion of the train, if the train has to steer a left in a left turning, the coach of the train will be tilted at the left in order to compensate the centrifugal push to right and conveniently during the right turn. The tilting train can be classified into the different category according to the features of their tilting system. On every type of the tilting train, the tilting system shall perform the three main functions. First, they have to identify accurately and without delay initial position of the curved transmission. Then second, they have to tilt the car body according to the tilting algorithm provided from the system. And finally, they have to verify that providing amount of the tilt corresponds to the tilt demand. So this is a diagram which is related to the tilting system. So this is a track. This is the position of the track. In that position, the wheel can be set, and with respect to the force attracted on the train can be tilted, and this train can be not drop down because the centrifugal force is generated at this side, and with respect to that side the train can be tilt only, it not can be dropped down, and in this way the track angle can be changes while increasing the speed of the train. So this is the diagram which is related to the basic concept of the tilting. This position is V square upon R, and this is the angle which is given to the rail track. So the rail track can be tilted with theta angle, and these can be tilted with respect to the cos theta angle. The theta is equal to theta V plus theta 0. The principal concept of the car body or tilting train. The active tilt release actively controlled by the sensor and electronics and executed by the actuator, usually hydraulic or electronics. Such normally impact on the safety actively tilted train. The center of gravity cannot be essentially changes in the lateral position. The passive tilt physical laws with the center located will be in the center position of the car body. In the car, under the influence of the centrifugal force, the lower part of the car body then swing outward. It should be noted that the passive tilt has been negative impact on the safety due to the lateral shift of the center of gravity on the car body. So the train and the train passenger are adjusted to the lateral force when the train passes through the horizontal curve. The car body rolls inwards and reduces the lateral acceleration felt by the passenger, allowing the train to navigate curve the higher speed with maintenance. The train of tilting the car bodies inwards in the curve are called as a tilting train. The tilting train can be divided in two groups. The normally tilted train can be activated with natural type, and second is a center of gravity. So the curve can be accelerated with the car body. The activated body can be generated with the help of the center of gravity and rotation of the center. So in this way the tilting train can be worked. If the train can be tilted, it is not dropped down because the centrifugal force is generated with respect to this tilting. It can be acted in opposite direction. If the tilt train in left hand side, then this centrifugal force can be generated on right hand side, and it can be push the train in right hand side so that the train can be tilt only, not drop down. So thank you.